Wow, wow, wow. It's rainy. It looks sad. But yeah. Hey guys, what is up everyone? It's Jamit Boy here, and today I am going to react to ToppDogg Rainy Day. Yeah. I'm going to apologise guys, I did not really research them. I know there's 9 members, but I did not really research them properly. I need to get punished a lot. I mean, a really big punish, but what kind of punishment? I think that's too much. I would try and research them if I got the time, yeah, because I'm kind of busy recently. I know I got to research on other members, but I will try my best. I can't make a promise, but I will try. Praise for the Lord above Jesus. Okay, let's get into it. Alrighty, let's do it. Alrighty. Okay, headphones on, like always. G fam. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice bike. Whoa, wow, wow. It's rainy. It looks sad. But yeah, very nice pink hair. Nice hair though. G. Pinky. Very pinky hair. I cannot have pink hair. It will be Aya to me. Jaya. So wet man. So wet. But hot at the same time. Yeah. Okay, oh, I like the dance. The vocals are kind of smooth, and the rap is like, yeah, Jaya. Rainy. J. I. Okay, they're inside now. Wow. That setting though, that studio, very nice. Wow. Look at the studio. Very sexy. So much smoke in the background. That silver hair though. He's got a very cool hairstyle. I like. Okay. Oh yeah. Getting sun. Whoa. I like his earring. Very nice. Wavy hair, man. Damn. That's cool. Very cool. Jaya. Don't make it rain, man. Hell no, man. They're outside now. Jaya. Oh, blue smoke, pink. Pink, man, pink. Very nice pinky. Ooh. Oh, there's a beautiful blue sky, man. God damn, that's blue, man. Just keep the jams up, bye. Bye. They look so sad. Yeah, to post the truth, I forgot the lyrics. Maybe I need the lyrics next time. I will read the lyrics after this. after this video when I finished it. Oh yeah, that's the end of the video. Yeah. Jaya, Faya, bam, bam, boo. It was actually pretty cool. Like when it was raining, then the next scene they was in the studio like dancing. Very nice, very cool. I love it. The scenery was brilliant. But yeah, I need to look at the lyrics to understand the song. I know it looks a bit has a meaning, emotional. But yeah. But the video was special. I have to admit, kind of special in many ways. That's how I think. There are people requesting me some songs, MV videos that they want me to see, but I can try my best. I know it's kind of tricky this week for me, but I will try. I think my next video might be on Friday, maybe, we'll see. I don't know, maybe Thursday as well, maybe. I don't know. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed my reaction video today. I know it's kind of a bit short, but always keep the jams up. Oh, it's got the gun. Oh, is that Chan? The small short hair? The sides are really short.